Welcome everyone, this is Teacher Robin from Living Brightly. I was on the wrong video channel when I uploaded my first one, or tried to upload it, but now I'm on the correct channel, so I'm kind of new to YouTube again. I'm filming some beautiful Da Nang, Vietnam. As you can see, we're free at the moment. We don't have to wear our masks in most places. We can walk about, no social distancing. I want people to realize, don't let them lock your love down. Love is not an emotion. Love is a creative force. It creates worlds. It's source. All this polarity, night and day, hot, cold, summer, winter, night and day, that's polarity, including our bodies and all the frequencies that are in it. Sine waves. That's polarity. It comes from source. We are love. We are source. We are, according to my research, we are what we've been looking for. So, just like I call you people the bright ones, and we're living brightly, striving to live brightly, by touching trees, talking to trees with our minds. We don't call a tree wood. What a tree exhales, we inhale. What we exhale, a tree inhales. That's like calling you, hey, flesh. That's ridiculous. So we're waking up. Look at that beautiful apartment. I like the greenage on it. I'll walk a little bit. This video will probably be short. I'm in my bare feet. That's called grounding. We're walking batteries, and the earth is a battery. We have toroidal fields. We need energy from the earth. Don't stay locked up. Don't keep wearing that thing that symbolizes to the parasites that they have you. Never give up your spirit. The love force, it's a force. The love frequency is higher than any Saturnic frequency or whatever you want to call it. Any parasitic frequency. Come to nature. Get out into nature. Get out into the sun. Don't stay locked up in your places. Don't do it. Unless you are absolutely you know what. I encourage you all to realize that this planet is not out to get us. There's more proof of nature's cooperation than anything else. Mutual cooperation is what this planet is all about. I send you my love, my blessings. Raise your frequency. Feel the love. Be strong. And be aware. Know yourself. Forgive yourself. Love yourself, love others. Touch your heart. Practice it. The human race has been so programmed to think we're this big. We're not that big. We're everything. Everything. All this beauty here, we're a piece of all of it. I'll show you the William Hoff breathing method and where you can get the free app. I'll maybe show you 20 minutes of it today or tomorrow. That's a wonderful technique to add to your living brightly daily habits. I'm far from perfect, but I know the direction I want to go in. It's not low frequency. It's high frequency towards where we come from, our birthright. We are the Arma source. What a beautiful tree. Eh? It's beautiful. Feel the sunshine. Inhale that, like Ralph Smart says, good ass prana. They also call it chi or orgon. Radiant energy. Has eloptic properties if you study Galen T. Hieronymus. Study it. It just further proves who we are and why they need us as batteries. We're not having it. We really can't lose. They can be turned off. We're eternal. It's awesome. It's just absolutely awesome. So I love you all. Please share this video with everybody. Go to Infinite Waters, Diving Deep with Ralph Smart. Find his other platforms and channels. And got some guy on a bicycle yelling. So we'll end it here. And we'll go from there. I got a security guard looking at my bike too. So love you all. I'll talk to you later. Have a good day, everyone. Living brightly, live brightly.